have an appointment with an Indian, never be on time, otherwise you will embarrass him. So just not to embarrass, he took time to reach the place. Friends, we all talk of time management. We all talk of time. But how far do we practice this in our lives? Are you comfortable with my language, or you want me to mix? हम सभी टाइम मैनेजमेंट के बारे में बात करते हैं और कई भाषण टाइम मैनेजमेंट में दिए जाते हैं, सुनते हैं, लेकिन उस पर अमल कितना हो पाता है, ये एक सोचने का विषय है। एक बार एक लेडी had a mammograph होते हैं, डॉक्टर्स आई एम नॉट वेरी familiar with doctor terms, mammograph, that was done and it was diagnosed as maybe some problem. So the lady was asked to go for a biopsy, and this lady, the time was fixed for 8:30 AM. 8:30 बजे उसको बोला गया जाने के लिए हॉस्पिटल, और उसका हस्बैंड, दोनों लोग हॉस्पिटल सारे आ गए थे। राइट ऑन द डॉट पहुंच गए, पेपर वर्क पूरा किया गया और जो टेस्ट थोड़ा बहुत करना था वो हुआ। 9 बज गया। डॉक्टर साहब जो सर्जन थे वो नहीं पहुंचे। अब उसके हस्बैंड बड़े पेशेंट हो रहे थे, उनको अपने ऑफिस जाना था। वो लेडी भी वर्किंग लेडी था, उसको भी कहीं अपॉइंटमेंट दिया हुआ था, दोनों का अपॉइंटमेंट फिक्स था ड्यूरिंग द डे, एंड द सर्जन वाज नॉट देयर। दे वेटेड 9:30, द सर्जन इज नॉट देयर। 10 o'clock he was not there. The husband asked the nurse, भाई क्या हो गया, डॉक्टर साहब कहाँ हैं? तो नर्स से यही कहीं होंगे, आसपास ही हैं, आते ही होंगे। Ultimately, the doctor came at 11 बजे, the surgeon. और this man grew very wild. 8:30 बजे आपने बोला था, मेरे सारे अपॉइंटमेंट कैंसिल हो गए हैं, मैं क्या करूं? सर्जन से स्कूल डाउन, चिंता नहीं करिए, रात को मैंने एक इंटेस्टाइन का ऑपरेशन किया था, और जो ऑपरेशन रात को किया था, जब मैं सुबह चलने लगा तो वो पेशेंट को इतना जोर से खांसी आया कि वो सारे उसके स्टिचेस टूट गए। अब उसका स्टिचेस टूटने से क्या हुआ, दैट वाज द इमरजेंसी, वो मुझे करने पड़ा। अब मैं उसको ये तो नहीं कह सकता कि मुझे वहाँ 8:30 बजे पहुँचना है और तुम ऐसे इंटेस्टाइन्स को लटकने दीजिए, मैं तो वहाँ चला। तो डॉक्टर के केस में पॉसिबल नहीं है भाई, आपको टाइम दिया था ठीक है, लेकिन वो ज़्यादा महत्वपूर्ण कार्य था, मुझे पहले वो करना था। अब ये दोनों कॉन्फ्लिक्ट क्यों अराइज होता है? Why this conflict? Now there is a conflict between this patient, lady patient who has come for a biopsy, or the surgeon who could not keep his time. उन दोनों का टाइम का व्यू अलग अलग है। 3 तरह का वक्त होता है। There are 3 types of time. One is called linear time. One is called circular time. One is called procedural time. Linear time क्या है? Linear time है past, present, future. Time is money. When we say time is money, we are talking of linear time. The patient who had come for biopsy, his time is linear. 8:30, 9:30, 10, 10:30, 11. What is circular time? Spring, winter, spring, summer, The seasons will repeat. That is circular time. So people who live in circular time, they are not in a hurry. They will act according to that season. A farmer, you take for example, he will sow the crops on that particular time. When the time will come, he will act. So there is no hurry. Procedural time. Take a doctor. He can start the operation, but when he finishes it, it will depend upon the procedure. So that is called procedural time. He cannot walk out simply. Start at 8:30 and finish at 9:30. Impossible. So whatever time the procedure will take, it will take. Artist is making a painting. So it is a procedural time. A scientist doing research and development. When that idea will strike, he doesn't know. Whatever time it may be, he will go by that procedural time. So these are three. And when a person from linear thinking time gets into conflict with a person with procedural thinking time, the conflicts may arise. और हम लोगों को समझना पड़ेगा कि उसको कैसे resolve करना है. In any case, time is important. Time is money. Time is one thing about which God has been very democratic. Some persons say time is a resource. क्या resources क्या होते हैं? For anything to take place, what are the resources? Any person? Man, unless you have labor, you can't produce things. Material, unless you have material, raw material, your factory will stop working. Money, unless you have the finance, things won't get started. Right? So these are called the resources. Man, material, money, capital, all these are resources. But is time a resource? क्या time भी resource है? What are the qualities of a resource? Resource has value. Resource can be transferred. If I have money, I can give it to you, I can borrow it from you. Resource can be invested or saved. Right? But it is not so in case of time. If you have 24 hours and I have 24 hours, I cannot give you 2 hours. आपके पास 26 घंटे हो गए, मेरे पास 22 ही बचे. Possible नहीं है. Can we transfer time? 2 घंटे आप मुझे अपने दे दीजिए, मेरे पास 26 घंटे हो गए. Possible नहीं है. Can we say resource is value? But if a person has lot of time, is he wealthy? Anybody can answer. A person with lot of time, would you call him wealthy in terms? Or not? Yes, ma'am. No. The answer is no, and I think the right answer. Correct answer. Who is the person with all the time? जो टाइम में कमी नहीं है. एक आदमी जेल में है, टाइम है उसके पास, कोई कमी नहीं है, but is he happy? So what is happiness? How do you bring about happiness in terms of time? If we are in a state of flow, if I am doing something as per my ability that interests me and I am totally absorbed in it, then it is a state of, I am in a state of flow. That is a state of happiness. Though I have no time, I am totally absorbed, I am fully utilizing my time, I am in a state of happiness. So necessarily, person with lot of time may not be happy. So time cannot be transferred. Time, if a person has more time, doesn't mean that he is rich. And time cannot be saved or invested or borrowed. So time resource, because it lacks the qualities which a resource should have, like money, material, etc., etc. Now, the question arises, God has been very kind in the realm of time. He has given more money to some people, less money to other people. Some are rich, some are poor. But the moment we get up in the morning, our pulse is magically filled with 24 hours of time. Everybody, whether it is Sonia Gandhi, or whether it is Manmohan Singh, whether it is me, or whether it is my staff, or any doctor, or anyone, आपको उठते ही 24 घंटे मिल जाते हैं। आपके ऊपर निर्भर है कि उन 24 घंटे का इस्तेमाल आप कैसे करें। और एक रिसर्च हुआ, I am forgetting the name of the doctor, let me read the doctor's name, I will tell you. And this doctor, he's written a book. The name of the book is Unheavenly City, and he has presented his research in this book. And his topic of research was why some people in their working life become financially independent. They earn so much of money and wealth that they are financially independent. ऐसा क्यों होता है? और कुछ लोग नहीं हो पाते, बहुत मेहनत वो नहीं करते। तो ऐसा कौन सा कारण है कि कुछ लोग जो है वो फाइनेंशियली इंडिपेंडेंट हो जाते हैं और कुछ कई लोग नहीं हो पाते, ज़्यादातर नहीं हो पाते? क्या पहले सेट ऑफ पीपल जो फाइनेंशियली इंडिपेंडेंट हैं या जिनको फाइनेंशियल सक्सेस मिली है, उनका नॉलेज ज़्यादा है, इंटेलिजेंट हैं, स्मार्ट हैं? क्या कारण है इन दोनों ग्रुप्स के बीच में? तो उसने ये पाया कि जो लोग फाइनेंशियली सक्सेसफुल हैं, उसका कारण उन्होंने ये पाया कि ये लोग जब डिसाइड करते हैं किसी चीज़ के बारे में, जब भी डिसीजन लेते हैं, तो उसको लॉन्ग टर्म पर्सपेक्टिव में डिसाइड करते हैं। दे डोंट टेक डिसीजंस इन द शॉर्ट टर्म पर्सपेक्टिव। व्हाट आई डिसाइड टुडे, I keep my origin of this decision 5 years from now, 10 years from now. So those persons who decide with a long-term perspective, they become financially independent. Those people who decide with a short-term perspective, they do not come out of this problem. So decision can be, I take a decision, I find आज ये फायदा हो रहा है डिसीजन लेने, बट आई डू नॉट weigh the consequences that today if I get this benefit, in the long term there may be a loss. So I have to weigh the consequences, short term and long term, and then I decide as to which way should I move. So people who are successful, this doctor and this Unheavenly City, the research says that people who take the long-term perspective in their decisions, they are financially successful people. Time can be real time. What is real time? I am talking to you in real time. You see a drama in real time, but when you see the news, that is not real time. It can be free time. What is free time? When you are free, it is free time. Billable time. An advocate's time is billable time. He has no free time. Talk to him and you get the bill. Work time, down time, party time, quality time. There are so many types of time that I need not define. Things to do. You are trying to buy time, buying time. Saving time, we normally say, it's time to save on time, saving time. killing time, you must cover, killing time. But if it is killing time, then is there any dead time? No. So these are the phrases that go with the time. And completing a task successfully rather than in the given time period, that is a procedural time. Then there was a concept of time. Einstein, he came out that time is relative. There is no absolute time according to theory of relativity. Then you have time traps. What are time traps? As I discussed with you just now, decision myopia. We look at the short-term gain and forgetting about the long-term loss of benefit in a particular decision. That is myopia is, in the medical terminology, when we cannot see distant things. So decision myopia is there when we cannot see good things come to those who wait. There is saying that good things come to those who wait. And it was Keynes who said, in the long term, we are all dead. So, thinking about both these quotations, we have to strike a balance. We have to outweigh the short term and the long term benefits of our decisions when we talk of managing time. Then there is a term called time snares. Time snares means short-term positive outcome and without thinking of the long-term negative result of that short-term positive outcome. Doctor suggested that you are having a lot of weight, your BP is very high, go for a morning walk. रोज आपको सुबह वॉक के लिए जाना चाहिए. So in the morning, I put the alarm at 6 o'clock, 5 o'clock. The alarm rang, and then I thought, let me sleep. The immediate benefit is more important than the long-term benefit. अभी सोना है तो तुरंत उसका मजा मिल रहा है, तो वेट कम होगा 2 महीने में, 3 महीने में जाकर. So that is time snares. We are more interested in short-term benefit rather than the long-term benefit. And that doctor who wrote The Unheavenly City, he says that you will be successful only when you will take the long-term view of your decisions and then act in the short term and have gain in the long term. So this is about time. Anything you would like to add? Any questions you would like to ask? We sometimes try to practice to be effective in our time management. We should finish the day on paper before it actually begins. हम लोगों को सुबह ही डिसाइड कर लेना चाहिए कि आज पूरे दिन में मैंने क्या करना है. If I jot down the things to do on a piece of paper that I have to do during the day, that will help me in any distractions. So I'll be confined to those things. It is possible कि हमने 5 काम लिखे, 7 काम लिखे, शाम तक 4 ही हो पाए, 3 हो पाए, तो जो 2 बच गए उनको हम नेक्स्ट डे में कैरी ओवर करें, बल्कि काम और उसमें ऐड कर लें. And this process goes on. 1 महीने बाद आपने देखा कि वो जो पहले दिन 2 काम कैरी ओवर हुए थे, वो महीने बाद फिर कैरी ओवर हो गए. इसका मतलब ये है कि उनका कोई महत्व नहीं है, उनको आप काट भी देंगे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला. They are not important, or they should not be done by you. They can be done by somebody lower the line. और किसी से करने को कह दीजिए. They have not been done because you felt in your subconscious mind that they were not really important. Then we have the habit of, आपका फोन आया, मैंने फोन नंबर पूछा, एक पेपर पे लिख दिया, I'll call you back. LPP, little pieces of paper. We use little pieces of paper. Now that LPP, उसके बाद मैं आपसे मिलने गया, वहीं छूट गया. And I forget क्या नंबर था, किसको कहा था. So let us avoid this habit of using LPP, little pieces of paper. Have a small diary, have a small notebook, note down everything there. That will help you in your time management. You can have some more time. If we are running on time, if some other speakers are, that will take 5 minutes more and then finish. 5 minutes और ले सकते हैं? Right? Now, I would like to rate to you things that we are doing. जो कार्य हम लोग कर रहे हैं और जो कार्य हम लोग नहीं कर रहे हैं. टाइम को हम इस तरह डिवाइड किया है कि the things that we are doing and things that we are not doing. Things that we are doing are much small compared to things that we are not doing. जो काम हम लोग कर रहे हैं, अगर हम उनका कंपैरिजन करें उन कार्यों से जो हम नहीं कर रहे हैं, तो हम ये पाएंगे कि जो कार्य हम कर रहे हैं वो बहुत ही एक छोटा सेट है, जो नहीं कर रहे हैं वो एक बहुत बड़ा सेट है. तो क्या कभी हमने ये सोचा है कि जो कार्य हम नहीं कर रहे हैं उनके बारे में सोचा जाए? जो कार्य हम नहीं कर रहे हैं उनको मैंने 3 भागों में विभाजित किया है. Things that we are not doing can be divided into 3 parts. Number 1, things that I have been postponing. वो कार्य जिनको मैं रेगुलरली पोस्टपोन करते चले आ रहा हूँ. मेरे लिस्ट में तो है करने के लिए, लेकिन मैं उनको कल कर लेंगे, परसों कर लेंगे, नरसों कर लेंगे, वही चलते चले जा रहा है. आदमी बहन की मौजों में बह जाता है, जुल्म उम्मीद मुसर्रत में सह जाता है, और रोज कहता है कल होगा रोज़े खुशी, मगर जो आज कहता है वही रोज कहेगा. तो हम उसको रिपीट करते चले जाते हैं, कल करेंगे इसको. थिंग्स दैट आई हैव बीन पोस्टपोनिंग. सेकंड इज थिंग्स आई हैव डिसाइडेड अगेंस्ट डूइंग. वह कार्य जो मैंने सोचा है कि ये नहीं करूंगा, ऐसा काम नहीं करूंगा. तीसरा है थिंग्स दैट नेवर अकर्ड टू मी. वह कार्य जो मुझे कभी जहन में ही नहीं आया, जो मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं. तो आई वाज ट्राइंग टू एक्सप्लेन थिंग्स दैट वी आर डूइंग एंड थिंग्स वी आर नॉट डूइंग. थिंग्स वी आर नॉट डूइंग को मैंने 3 भागों में बांटा. थिंग्स दैट वी हैव बीन पोस्टपोनिंग, थिंग्स that I have decided against doing and things that never occurred to me. जो चीजें हम पोस्टपोन कर रहे हैं उनके कारण हमारा हार्ड डिस्क में अननेसेसरी मेमोरी फुल हो रहा है. राइट? दे आर एक कांस्टेंट सोर्स ऑफ टेंशन. जितना देर हम उसको पोस्टपोन करते रहेंगे, उसको हम अपने माइंड में कैरी करते रहेंगे और वो अननेसेसरी टेंशन क्रिएट करता रहेगा. So either I should decide not to do it or I should perform the task. Why we are postponing? Could be I don't know how to do it. Let me learn from somebody who knows it. Maybe whatever be the reason for postponing, let us find out the reason and either do it or delete it from that category. Things, second was things that I have decided against doing. वह कार्य जो हमने सोचा है कि नहीं करेंगे, उनको भी रिव्यू किया जाए. Every 3 months, every 6 months review whether you had a fight with somebody, you thought that उनको बात नहीं करेंगे, उनके घर नहीं जाएंगे, रिव्यू कर लीजिए, कोई हर्ज नहीं है. Time is a big healer. Have a review and again take a decision on this. But don't keep it like that. Last was things that never occurred to me. जिसके बारे में हमने सोचा ही नहीं. See, human potential is unlimited. You can do wonders. You have to believe in your capabilities and capacities. Think what you can do. सोचिए कि आप ये काम कर रहे हैं और क्या कर सकते हैं, और उसको कोशिश करिए. उसमें से एक भी करेंगे तो there will be some value addition to what you are going to do. I'll tell you a small story before I finish. There was a professor, and this professor was taking a class. क्लास ले रहे थे. उन्होंने अपने एक्सपेरिमेंट वाली अलमारी में से एक जग निकाला. शीशे का जग था, टेबल पर रखा.
ऐसे ठीक बना.
उस शीशे के जग के अंदर उन्होंने गोल्फ बॉल होता है, गोल्फ का बॉल, वो डाल दिया जग. पूरा इसका ब्रिम तक बॉल्स डाल दिया. Then he asked the class, is the jug full? The class said, yes sir, that is full. उसके बाद उसने दूसरे ड्रॉर में से छोटे छोटे पत्थर निकाले, वो उसके ऊपर डाले, जग को हिलाया, वो पत्थर उसने बॉल्स के साथ में सिमट के वो भी अंदर आ गए. फिर पूछा, इज द जग फुल? Then the class said, yes it is full. उसने दूसरा ग्लास वाला रेत निकाला, उसमें रेत डाल दिया, रेत भी चला गया, हिलाया उसने, फिर रेत भी उसमें आ गया. Then he again asked the class कि जग हो गया, भर गया? क्लास बोले, yes sir, the jug is now full. अभी तो रेत भी डाल दिया आपने, अभी तो it is completely full. उसने कॉफी 2 कप निकाला नीचे से, 2 कप कॉफी और डाल दिया उसमें, कॉफी भी उसमें सेटल कर गया. Then the class agreed, now it is full. What is the lesson? The lesson is, बोले अगर मैं पहले रेत डाल देता तो बॉल्स नहीं आता उसमें. अगर पहले मैं वो छोटे वाला पेपर्स डालता तो भी नहीं आता. So this balls are the big things in life. Your family, things very important to you. The pebbles are again less important, but important. Grades, still less important things in life. So first take care of the big things of life, of the balls. We put them first. Then take care of the less important. And then last thing, whatever time is left, your major portion of time should go to your family, your work, your hobbies, your interests, whatever makes you happy, whatever makes you successful. And whatever time is left out may be used for smaller things which are not very important. इनका ज़्यादा लाइफ में महत्व नहीं है. Then one student bottom से समझ में तो आ गया, तो कॉफी तो आपने डाला, वो क्या है? बोला yes, you have asked the right question. सब कुछ फुल टाइम फुल होने के बाद भी 2 कप कॉफी तो दोस्त के साथ बैठ के पी सकते हैं. Can always have 2 cups of coffee with your friend, even if I have full schedule, totally पूरा टाइम भरा हुआ होने के बाद भी. दोस्तों, इसके साथ ही एक उर्दू कपलेट और सुनाकर के आपको ज्यादा चाहूंगा. मेहरबान हो के बुला लो मुझे चाहो जिस वक्त. मेहरबान हो के बुला लो मुझे चाहो जिस वक्त. मैं गया वक्त नहीं हूं कि फिर आ भी न सकूं. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for giving me an opportunity to be with you, be with the Lions Club. As the first speaker, thank you very much and my best wishes for your 27th Annual Convention 2008. I'm sure in the city of Ara, this Lions Convention, it's a wonderful event, and my best wishes to the organizers, to all of you for so patiently listening to me, to the Lions Club for having invited me here, and thank you very much. Thank you.